Okay guys, hi, today I'm going to be doing another Animal Jam video. Ooh, one of my actual friends are on. His name is Jammer5 and 9, but his username used to be Jonathan, but I think someone reported him for having an inappropriate user, which is really weird. Let me check my, wait, what? Wait, what? Yo, oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't believe it! Wait, what? Your artwork has been featured in Jammer Sensor. Check the greatest art from Jammer's like you in the oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm definitely telling Jonathan this. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Fuck, no, I did not want to remove him off. Oh my god! Did I actually get that? Oh my god! Oh my god. I got the artist flag! That is so amazing! That's not even sarcastic. Come to your... Wait, no. Come to my den. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Jono, come. Come, please. I want to show you something. Come, Jono. This is gonna... I want to see what his reaction is. Oh my god. Animal... Wait. A completely new Animal Jam... Wait. Oh my god, I can't believe it. You know what? If he doesn't come in, I'm just gonna TP to him to see what's going on. And what he's doing. He's not gonna be actually in Jammer Township because that's just a glitch that I reckon AJHQ should fix soon because it always says like that on Jammer HQ. Wait. I doubt all of these people are actually 7 days ago. One person, they kind of fixed that, but not exactly. Now they have one. That's kind of. Yeah, that's good. He's in my den. No, Jono's in my den. I mean, it might have sounded like who's in my den. I want to know you something. I want to know you something. I want to see what his reaction is. Look. Look. Oh my god, I want to see what his reaction is. Rub Ruby, it's in your face. Ruby, it's in, oh. Go on to. I got the art wait, no, that doesn't have it. It's also me a jamagram, not email. Hi, wanna come to my den? Wait. What section? I got the artist plaque. That's not. I know you. I got it from AJHQ. Because I did a good job. No, not a good job. No. They are only the star plaques are worth a lot. Drawn. Because I did a good drawn. It is in Jama township. You can see my drawn in Jama. Oh, I bet you he's looking in Jama Township to see if it's there or not. He definitely is. I want to see it though. Sunset. I want to see which one of the drawings that I did that's in the art gallery. Because I do remember I did quite a lot of drawings. Where's my drawing? USA. Why are they? Why is it all about? Oh. Where is my drawing? It's probably the one I did near the sand pit. Look, you can see Jono right there. Oh my god, can I click on this? No. I still can't find it. Or maybe it was in the thing a long time ago. Because I haven't played Animal Jam for quite a while, as you guys probably know. Like, I haven't been doing very much recordings of it, and I also haven't been playing Animal Jam. But still, like, all the gameplay I do on my computer is basically recorded. Well, most of my gameplay, because sometimes, because it looks. Okay, so yeah, I was just looking at something, but then I accidentally clicked on it and it stopped the video. Now since I know how to do that, that's actually kind of useful. Really? Wait a second, I think my den is unlocked, but oh, that is Johnny. Yeah, and also the artist plaque is non-member. I want to show you a glitch. Okay, wait. What is exactly is he doing? What is it? What is it? I slid. Wait. What? I thought I only worked in the weird place. I can't see him slide. Wait, let me see. Let me try. Nope, that doesn't work. I'm confused about what John is trying to show me. Strange. Oh, fire. Oh dang, that was way off time. Let's try one more. Actually, no, I don't really feel about this game. No, what did I say? What? See, I thought the AJ Animal Jam HQ. Oh, look, it's the Jam Center.